my channel. So in the previous class we have studied about the inheritance of one gene. And also the law of dominance. So in this class we will study about the second law which is given by the Mendel, that is the law of segregation. So today we will learn about the second law, that is law of segregation. So what is this law of segregation is? So it is very simple as compared, or if you see that word, it looks like a big, but it is very simple and very easy. Where segregation means what? Separate. Segregation in the sense separate. Okay. So this law of segregation or the law of separation says that, what it says? The two alleles of a gene, they will get what? They will get separate during the gamete formation. How? For example, we have studied the tall plant and dwarf plant. So have a look over here. The capital T that is the tall plant and the small t that is the dwarf plant, right? So if these two are the parents, okay, here what this law suggests is the gametes will get separate. During the formation of a gametes, those alleles will get separate. Here two alleles are present, that is capital T, and here small t, two alleles are present. During the formation of gamete, we know to form the gamete, right? That is one T is over here and the T is here. Same here also. The small t will be separated from those two T's, right? So here these two gametes got separated. So this is called as the law of segregation. It is also called as the law of purity of gametes, because a pure gamete will get separated from its parent. That's it. So nothing but it is the separation of the gamete or the allele from a single gene. This is called as the law of segregation. And remember, it is also called as the purity of law of gamete. Okay, this completes the second law of inheritance. So before going to the third law, which is the last law, we'll study about the monohybrid cross. So what is monohybrid cross here? See, even this is the same example for the monohybrid cross. How? In the sense, here the parent, that is tall plant, and the dwarf plant are there, right? These two are the gametes, and the offspring or the hybrid we get from these two gametes when they fuse together is, that is the capital T and small t, that is heterozygous plants, that is in the F1 generation. We do remember this, right? So this is called as the monohybrid. Mono in the sense where monohybrid, where mono in the sense single, right? And hybrid is the offspring formed by the crossing. So here the hybrid is this heterozygous tall plants, right? So this is called as the monohybrid, where two parents by crossing, they will give us the what? Heterozygous offspring of a single character. Here mono means single character. Which character we have taken here? That is the height, right? Height is the character, where tall and dwarf are the traits of the height. So single character we have took. So that's why it is called as the monohybrid, because single character is present in this offspring. And this kind of cross is called as the monohybrid cross. That's it. Okay. This is the monohybrid cross. And coming to the one more term, that is test cross. So what is test cross then? Let's have a look over here. Test cross in the sense, it is also the cross, but how we will do that cross is, test cross is done to identify the genotype of what? F1 generated offspring. For example, see here in F1 F1 generation, these offsprings, these all are tall, right? All the 4 plants are tall. In the sense, we'll think that tall in the sense there is the dominance of the tall trait. Yes, but we don't know whether there is the presence of the recessive or not. In the sense, we don't know whether it is the homozygous or the heterozygous tall. So, in order to identify the homozygous or heterozygous offspring which came in the F1 generation, to identify that, what we will do is, in test cross, we will take this F1 offspring, okay, that is the heterozygous tall, and we should cross it with the what? Its parent, that is the recessive trait. Which is recessive trait here? That is the dwarf plant. So, the crossing between the F1 offspring and the recessive trait, that is the dwarf, will give us the what? If we take the gamete, let's form gametes here. That is capital T, small t, and here we'll get the small t. Okay? And the offsprings produced by these will be heterozygous T and also the homozygous dwarf. Means the offsprings produced were here 50% heterozygous tall and 50% homozygous dwarf. So this is what the test cross is. I think it is clear for you. And in the next video, let me come up with the third law. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to study. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye.